Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you what do we cover in DevOps practitioner training, like list of the tools, program highlights, what are the projects do we cover, who can attend this training, and what are the prerequisites, and how can you enroll to this program. First of all, let's see list of the tools, what do we cover. This program starts from very basics, so if you don't have any technical skill, don't worry, you can still attend this program. That is where we starts with Linux. So here we are going to cover some Linux basics. Next, AWS. In AWS, we cover some of the important services which are required for DevOps. Then we are going to cover Git and Bitbucket as a version control system, Maven as a build tool, JFrog Artifactory as a artifact repository, SonarQube as a static code analysis, Ansible for configuration management and also as a deployment tool, Nginx as a reverse proxy, Docker as a container service, Kubernetes as a container orchestration or container management service. We will be stressing more on Docker and Kubernetes because nowadays many companies are expecting this skill more deeper. Grafana, then Jenkins as a CI and CD tool, Python for basic scripting, Terraform as a infrastructure provisioning tool, MySQL as a database, Jira, at last Kibana. So these are the list of the tools which we cover. Next, program highlights. If you see, apart from the training classes, we are going to conduct DevOps interview discussion sessions where we will be discussing important interview questions and also answers. Apart from that, we will be talking about the blockages if you are practicing some labs. Let's take that you are attending class in the morning and you are practicing that lab. If you stuck up somewhere, you can attend the did session and get it clarified. Next, Slack channel access for technical support. During your practice, if you stuck up somewhere, you can post your query in the Slack channel. If it is minor, we will be answering there itself. If it is major, then we are going to cover in the did sessions. Next, 10 real-time projects. We have handpicked some of the interesting real-time projects on DevOps. I will show you in the next slide. Every Friday, we are going to give you an assignment. You can complete that assignment during the weekend and you can publish it in your social media platforms. I will tell you why you need to publish it. 1 year access to any DevOps batch. If you enroll to one batch, for next 1 year, you can attend any DevOps batch which is conducted by Velaxy Technologies. Next, resume preparation. We will help you to prepare your resume because better resume helps you to get more calls. Next, mock interviews. Once the training is completed and if you are ready to hit the market, then you can test your skill by taking the mock interviews. We will conduct a mock interviews and we will tell you where you are lacking and where you are good. According to this feedback, you can focus on your weak areas. Next, class recordings. Every session is recorded and it will be available for you to watch on Velaxy platform so that in case if you miss the class or if you are not able to follow properly, you can revision the classes any number of times. Next, one-on-one meeting. Once you have enrolled the course, to understand you better, we will be scheduling one-on-one session. There we will be talking with you and understanding where you are at this moment and which areas you can focus more to get more out of this training. At last, building social proof. So I was talking about weekly assignments, right? So whatever weekly assignments you have done, you maybe update those in your GitHub repository or LinkedIn platform or some other social media which can expose your DevOps technical skill so that people can understand that you are doing something on DevOps. So that builds your technical social proof. So building technical social proof could be very important thing as well. Next, list of the projects which we are going to cover. We are going to cover one project on AWS, that is three-tier architecture, Ansible, Linux patching automation project, and software provisioning with Packer integration. Next, Docker, web application deployment using Docker Compose. Next, Jenkins, declarative pipeline for build and deployment using Helm as a deployment tool. Next, one more on Jenkins, that is build and release pipelines, integration of Git, Bitbucket, Maven, SonarQube, JFrog Artifactory, Ansible, Docker, Helm, and Kubernetes. Next, Terraform, deploy three-tier architecture. One more project on Terraform, that is deploy Lambda serverless architecture. Next, Elasticstack, deploy Elasticstack to log pods. Next, Kubernetes, deploy microservices architecture. These are the list of the projects which we cover during this program. Next, who can learn this program? This could be quite common question many people could have if you are new to the DevOps or IT field. So here list of the people who can attend or learn DevOps easily, that is administrators, developers, test engineers and freshers. Whenever I say administrators, it could be system, storage or database. Next, prerequisites. To attend this training, there is no prerequisites, but if you have some basics of Linux, that's well and good. If you don't know, don't worry, we still cover this. Next, logical thinking. At last, enthusiasm to learn new things. Next, course details. So training is going to happen on weekdays, that is Monday to Friday Indian time, 7 a.m. IST. So it could be from 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Next thing, DID sessions, that is DevOps interview discussion sessions, 3 times in a week. That is going to happen Indian time evening 7 o'clock, that is 7 p.m. IST. It could be from 1 hour to 1.5 hour. Next, duration, it is going to take 80 to 90 hours or else 2 months to 2.5 months. Next, new batch is going to start on October 30th, 2021. Next, course fee, I am not updating it over here because it is going to change time to time. If you are interested, maybe you can reach out to us over the social media platforms, preferably over the WhatsApp on this number or LinkedIn or Instagram. We will help you with the further more details if you have any queries. Alright, hope this information is helpful. Thank you and I'm excited to see you in the training.